How to navigate YouTube TV. YouTube TV offers an intuitive interface with easy-to-use menus for browsing live TV, on-demand content, and recordings. Follow these steps to navigate YouTube TV effectively. Step number 1, open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, smartphone, or web browser. Sign in to your Google account if required. Step number 2, use the main menu tabs. Home tab. Find recommended shows, trending videos, and personalized suggestions. Browse categories like movies, sports, and news. Live tab. Access the live TV guide with current programming. Scroll through channels and click on a show to watch live. Library tab. View recorded content, scheduled recordings, and recently watched shows. Organize content by recorded shows, movies, and sports. Step number 3, search for specific content. Select the search icon, magnifying glass, at the top of the screen. Type the name of a show, movie, or channel. Click on the desired results to watch or record. Step number 4, manage your profile and settings. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Choose settings to adjust preferences, including memberships, manage subscriptions and add-ons, area settings, update home or playback area, parental controls, set content restrictions and filters. Step number 5, use playback controls. Pause, rewind, and fast forward. Use remote buttons or screen controls while streaming content. CC button, enable or disable closed captions during playback. Step number 6, explore additional features. Add to library. Select add to record shows or events. Jump to last channel. Use the back button on your remote to return to the last watched channel. Important notes, device sync. Changes made on one device sync across all devices logged into the same account. DVR storage. YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR storage for recordings, stayed for up to 9 months. Multi-view feature. Use multi-view to watch multiple channels at once on supported devices.